Hi, and welcome back to Mr. Petrimo's tutorials on Google Classroom for teachers. With this tutorial, we are going to learn how to email your entire class. And it's a very simple, easy, and really handy trick. We start out on our stream, but we're going to skip right over to People. On your toolbar up top, go to People, and then we have our list of our class members. And you will see that 3 of these members have accepted the invite, and the rest that are grayed out still have not accepted my invite, but they will very shortly. But that does not matter when it comes to emailing them. So you can check the main box at the top, which puts a check mark in each of the students in this classroom, and then under Actions, you can go to Email, and that will pop up using your Bonet Gmail app. It will pop up a blind carbon copy email to each member in that classroom. So you can enter your subject, and you can give them their next assignment here and provide the link. Paste in that link. Highlight that. When it doesn't turn a link, a little trick here, when it doesn't turn into a clickable link, you just highlight that and go to the bottom and click the link button, and it will turn it into a link. So now it's clickable for all those students. And blind carbon copy, I don't think I described that, but blind carbon copy sends a separate email to each student without letting them see the rest of the students' email addresses. So it's kind of like a privacy thing. If you want it to go to public, then what I do is I come into the blind carbon copy area and I select all with the Control A on my keyboard, select all, and then I Control C and copy them. And I go right up to the To box, which will be public, and I paste them in there. Now they will all see each other's email addresses, and it will be a mass email. And you can go back into the blind carbon copy because now you won't need that. Control A to select those and then just delete them. And now it is a public email. So either way you do that, if you're going to be using Google Classroom, I highly recommend the blind carbon copy feature, and then hit that send button. So that's it. It's a short and sweet one. I hope you enjoyed it. And our next topic is going to be creating an assignment. So this is our first assignment on Google Classroom. Thank you, and see you next time.